Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Philips Fidelio T1. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset, and to perform a soft reset you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case. And now close the case. So your earbuds should be disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the settings. In the Bluetooth, as you can see, no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. So then remove your earbuds and check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. Inside the case we have connection button, and you need to press 2 times this connection button. 1, 2. After that, we need to reconnect these earbuds from the phone. So firstly we need to remove them from the phone and then add it. So you need to, again, go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After that, tap at your earbuds at the device list, and we did it. But if these methods didn't help you, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!